Children are cytic fibrosis. Disease that affects linkers to chicken and damage the internal organs. Factors like this. Chronic disease that can be detected in children and genetics plays the risk of developing.
76,889. If you look at the chart and count the number, there are difference. Please progress norm into the one. Scan it through Google Lens control.
An app coding tổng.
If you have multiple tasks to complete in a single day,
The third feature of the Constitution is the parliamentary form of government. In a parliamentary form of government, people vote for a political party and the party with the most votes forms the government. The leader of this party becomes the prime minister. They choose the council of ministers. This form of government ensures that the prime minister and the council of ministers remain accountable to the parliament, which are members elected directly by the people. It means that the government does not interfere in the following two situations. 1.
this is the mother's we use welcome. Let's add. No premier coding knowledge is required to create such apps using the MIT app inventor. Instead, we use bug-based coding to make apps easily. We use vertical arrangements, multiple screens, logic, colors, and other concaps to make these apps. The app has different information for our use the weekend we use psychoplastics to in our station.
Very good. Very good.
Dear parents, do you like to play games? Name any of your favorite games. Give us a meaning of it. Dear parents, today I would like to share a story about Rani Lakshmibai. So, Rani Lakshmibai was the queen of Jhansi in North India. She is a well-known female freedom fighter, educated man. At the age of 14, she married to Gangadhar Yonewalkar, who was the Maharaj of Jhansi. Therefore, people call her Rani of Jhansi. At the same time, the British had just captured Delhi and were moving towards Jhansi. She motivated her soldiers even when they are losing. Parents.
Morning.
Short story on the topic Chandragupta Maurya was the founder. Share about the meaning of because they also do on their own. Let's So dear parents, I advise that we limit our screen time so that we can benefit the most from the pros and then lessen the side effects from the cons. This is all we would like to say today.
Federalism and separation of power.
The Indian Constitution has a few key features that explain how we must operate as a democracy. These features set us apart from the rest of the world. The first feature is federalism. Federalism is a system of government in which there are three levels: central government, state government, and local government. Second feature is separation of power. The government of India has three organs to handle the different responsibilities and power. They are the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary.
I am B.S. Kilureng Anal from class 7B and welcome to our stall. We are doing ELGA subject. So would you like me and my friends to explain to you about the pros and cons of mobile phones? Advantages or good things about something are called its pros. Disadvantages or bad things about something are called its cons. Today we will talk to you guys about the pros and cons of mobile phones. So guys, I advise you to limit your screen time so that you can benefit the most from the pros and then lessen the side effects from the cons. This is all we would like to say. Thank you.
Ngasi makoy na si pangthok ribase makoy tasengna makoy learning tamba haibase makoy da tasengna loksinba haiba tare. They learn. Makoy na sila lebraga ngasi ujas haraga mayam mama pan na laraga makoy na ismana explanation to bisi makoy taseng na kredi hairabane haina akoy lawi adugi akoy sigi kano student led conference to buni adu yam harawe akoy press site ki sumi lakpiba aduga akoy gi parents mayam su phajana number phajana lae makoy ngasi di adu makoy su makoy gi angang singi makoy gi kari hagini concern icha sing se kam tobra haibase makoy su adugi concern da makoy su lakchab se encourage to lakpa yam na makoy su thagat chai
ai gi ming Kennedy kowe ai se icha sing se mi ani si school okhil se da tamjabani ngasi numit se yamna suktau tawdriba school na se Chandel district manung isida okhil isina asumba student led conference haina principal na chinglaga mukhan arrange nahan digi tawram base ngasi khaktang laga u base da yam angak point na thengnai maramdi mokhoi na tawrima myam se angang oiringe de khoisu yam tamlamme ado ngasi numi se moina sumaina kaw khiba pot yam yawe khoina su ko sim yam se puthok laga moina sumaina leigida bani vitamin se na se kana bani haibuguma macha ma su oiba phaw base moina moidi reality da example galoina na moi physical example tawraga moina takpa saraga isugumba ekhoi students sing na urak pase yamna parents sing idamakta encourage yam oire asi sumaina encourage tawninge school khuding mak su tawbo oisunu haina khalle because asidi student gidamakta su yamna developed oiba yamna advanced oikraba teaching method ama sizin na duna okhil asena tawbi bese yamna thagale parents ki taraf ta su lagliba parents me yam pen na masa gi angang khakta na tabida chatliba angang tawriba me yam si ubakan su de kho yamna encourage oye uplift oye haina haizaninge yam thagale
Ay ngasi gi November date 5 student led conference Okhil Christian Academy uza principal amasung makhoi gi teaching staffs teachers mayam na sinbi naga student khoi bu makhoi gi subject wise ki makhoi na smile explanation section khai duna akhoi parents oina asmai na ying balak pasida khushi ampili tambiriba uza sing asigi school dagi satri sing principal na chingba makhoi busu thank you haijaningi parents amoina aduga yam thagali sigum laba asmai na conference thambiri se mathang da su amuk hana thambina na ba sisu request amuk tawzari thank you so much
kaya to rage marak da parent khal lage